Driscoll with GPO Display, coming to you from our demo facility here in Livermore, California, where we assemble the vast majority of our display offerings. Everything you see here is TAA compliant and also secure ready, meaning no built-in computing, network connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, RF, etc. Keep that in mind as we go through each product category. I'll start off here with our LCD video walls. For many years, our bread and butter. This is a 55-inch 2x2 comprised of razor narrow bezel LCDs. That means the combined bezel gap is under 1 millimeter at 0.88 millimeters, the slimmest you can get with LCD. This is being driven by a PC running TouchTech Lima, interactive software that allows me to annotate, draw on my main file down here on the interactive table, and it'll actually show up on the clone file that I have swiped up to my extended desktop, in this case a video wall, but it could be an individual large display. This interact table here is one of our several highly customizable designs, this one called the flow through. We can customize these in terms of height, screen angle, color. We can incorporate logos, and there's a lot that we can do with this housing, as well as our interactive kiosks. Similarly customizable, you have a few starting points. This one's our Ergo kiosk in the 55-inch size, an interactive kiosk that can incorporate third-party devices like printers and cameras if need be. It can incorporate wraps, logos, etc. And here we have a couple of examples of another kiosk design, the Classic. This is a 46 and a 55-inch. These are often made dual-sided, especially in those high-traffic environments where you may have passersby coming from both directions. This can also be made permanent by eliminating this base on wheels in favor of anchor positions to make it a little bit slimmer profile, and again, permanent. That's known as our Perma kiosk. We can similarly adjust our video wall floor stands to be made either permanent or semi-mobile. This is a semi-mobile example right here, and our mounts can be stacked atop these and also feature the option of locking rear doors. So for a truly freestanding video wall that's going to be viewable and accessible from the rear, this cleans up the appearance and it also makes it tamper-proof. Cables won't be visible or accessible. The displays you see here are part of our Sturdy Glass series with optically bonded protective glass. That allows for not only interactive video walls, we can supply the entire solution from the IR overlay to the decorative framing and mounting, but also protection in high traffic areas where passersby may inadvertently or purposefully impact the LCD panel surface here. Now over here we have Transparent OLED, 55-inch full HD, and this display is quite unique in that it is somewhat transparent. It can be made into a video wall. It can be made into a kiosk. We can incorporate this into our kiosk designs, and we can also add interactivity if need be. Here we have our panoramic LCDs ranging from 14 up to 50-inch. These larger sizes often used as world clocks, replacements for analog world clocks, and this middle size here, the 37-inch, being used as a sort of meeting room display that can fit atop a doorway where other 16:9 aspect ratios cannot. This over here is an example of our 4K commercial monitors, a 55-inch, one of the more common series, and we also offer touch options ranging from 32 to 98. This is really where the vast majority of those secure display requirements come into play, because a lot of these displays on the commercial market feature those smart TV functions. The takeaway here is that, yes, we have a broad range of display solutions. Yes, we have significant custom capabilities, and after all, our motto is visual solutions created for you. But the fact that we take on each project and assemble to order here in the United States allows us to pay attention to quality assurance, color uniformity, and the details of your specific application. Displays come out the box pre-configured in the case of video walls, for example. So reach out and experience the GPO difference.
Visit us at gpodisplay.com or email us at sales@gpodisplay.com.